do is we're going to model a bedside cabinet. It's a pretty simple object, so we're going to start off with a cube. Just going to drag it on my grid here. So first drag and getting the actual perimeter, and the second drag and getting the actual height for the bedside cabinet. Seems a bit too small for me, so I'm just going to press R here. Expand it out. So press 5. We've got our cube. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a door for it. So I'm going to go to Edit Mesh, insert Edge Loop Tool, and I want my door to come to about there. I want the base to be about there. And then I'm going to put 2 edges here at the side. So you can see with my Edge Loop Tool, when I'm clicking, it's making a ring of edges perpendicular to that selected edge, and I can click and drag it anywhere I want. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into face mode by holding right click over my object, go into face, click that square that I've just made, and I'm going to extrude it. So Edit Mesh, Extrude, press W, and I'm going to move it out. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select this top one, press Extrude again. I could press G since it's the last tool that I used. Press R, scale it in. Slightly that way. Just going to move it up so it meets that edge. So these edges here are meeting. We press G again to extrude, move it down. Grab this back one, G, extrude, pull it back. Now we've got a drawer that's slightly open. I'm going to grab the front face here. I'm going to extrude this to make a handle. So I'm going to extrude it first, press R, scale it down. Something like that. Press G again to extrude. I'm going to move it out. And then I'm going to extrude these two. I'm going to press G, scale them in, press G again, move them inwards. So now we've got a drawer with a nice handle there. Next part we want to do is we want to make a hole in this area. So I'm going to go Edit Mesh, insert Edge Loop Tool. And I'm going to just make 2 edges along there. So again, right click and go into face mode. So this area and this area are going to be where my hole is for my bedside cabinet. I'm going to extrude this, Edit Mesh, Extrude. I'm going to move it inwards. And I'm going to move it so far in that when it goes through the back polygon, just there, I'm just going to pull it back and press delete on it. Then I'm going to go back to this polygon, press delete on that too. Okay, so we've got a hole here that we need to fill up. So I'm just going to go Edit Mesh, and I'm going to merge vertex tool. So I'm going to grab that inner point, click and drag it to the point I wanted to merge it to, and that closes up that small area. One of the things you might notice is it's got this weird shade. It's Maya trying to say that this edge is actually a bit rounded, which it's not. So we're going to grab it, normals, and we're going to harden the edge. Once you do that, it's now complete.